Strelitzia. These are the there, but you have to remember this bombox. Okay, so ornithophily. Next one is chiropterophily. Next is chiropterophily, means pollination occurs by bats. Pollination occurs by bats. Okay, so pollination occurs by bats known as chiropterophily. Here what happens? Flowers are large sized, long pedicel. So flowers are large sized. It contain long pedicel. Okay, large size flowers are there, long pedicel are there, and producing large number of nectar. It produce large quantity of nectar. Okay, it produce large quantity of nectar. Okay, an example is Anthocephalus. So for example, Anthocephalus. Okay, Anthocephalus is there. Next example is there, Caesalia. Caesalia. Okay, so that belongs to chiropterophily. Okay, next one is a malacophily. Next one is malacophily. Now, if pollination occurs by snails and slug, so that is known as malacophily. So here what happens? Pollination occurs by snails and slugs. So that is known as malacophily. And example is there, arum, lily. Okay, for example, arum, lily. So this is malacophily. Next one is there, ophiophily. Ophiophily. Here what happens? Pollination occurs by snake. Okay, pollination occurs by snake. So that is known as ophiophily. An example is Centellum, Michaelia. So for example, Centellum, Michaelia. Okay, so these are ophiophily. Pollination occurs by snake. Ophiophily. Next one is myrmecophily. Myrmecophily. Here what happened? Myrmecophily means pollination occurs by ant. Pollination occurs by ants. Okay, pollination occurs by ants, known as myrmecophily. And example is mango, lychee. For example, mango, lychee. So this is what? Myrmecophily. Another example is acacia. So this belongs to Myrmecophily. Okay. Any problem? Now, next topic is there, outbreeding devices. What happens? Continue self-pollination. What they are doing? Depressing the productivity. Okay. And that's why naturally plants doing what? Some arrangement doing so that they can avoid self-pollination. That devices known as outbreeding devices. So next topic is outbreeding devices. Outbreeding devices. Okay, you understood that what is outbreeding devices? Continued self-pollination, continued self pollination. What they are doing? Continued self pollination doing what? Result in inbreeding depression. The results in inbreeding depression. Okay, they are doing what? Results in inbreeding depression. So what they are doing? Flowering plants have many activities, okay, many devices to discourage this self-pollination. What happens? Flowering plants arrange some devices to discourage self-pollination and encourage cross-pollination. For their better productivity. And that is known as what? That is known as breeding devices. This is known as breeding devices. Now, here what happens? What are the things that happen? These devices, what are the devices are there? So, number one is a dichogamy. Here, number one devices is dichogamy. Now, what do you mean by dichogamy? Means we already know male reproductive organ androecium, female reproductive organ gynoecium. If they mature at different time, not at the same time, different time, that process is known as dichogamy. So here what happens? Here male, that is androecium, and female, that is gynoecium, mature at different time. So if different time will be there, then what will happen? No chance of self pollination. So mature at different time. This is known as dichogamy. So one device is what? Dichogamy. Okay, here if anther first mature or pistil or gynoecium mature first, so anther first mature known as protandry. Okay, so first condition is anther mature first. It is known as protandry. This term you have to remember. Protandry means anther mature first. And example is a sunflower cotton. For example, sunflower. For example, cotton. Okay. Second is carpel or pistil. Mature first. Okay. Carpel or pistil mature first. So it is known as a protogyny. It is known as protogyny. This both term you have to remember. And example is Ficus aristolacea. So for example, Ficus aristolacea. Okay, Ficus is there, aristolacea is there. Here what happens? Anther means androecium develop first. Here carpel pistil means gynoecium develop first. So first one is dichogamy. Next one, next device is incompatibility. Next is incompatibility. So incompatibility means what? Inhibiting pollen tube germination. Okay, what I told? Inhibiting pollen tube germination in the pistil. Inhibiting pollen tube growth or germination in the pistil. Okay, so this is known as incompatibility or intraspecific incompatibility or self-sterility or self-incompatibility. So it is also known as self-sterility, intraspecific incompatibility. Okay, so this is another device. Next device is unisexuality. Unisexuality means production of unisexual flower. Okay, formation of unisexual flower. So unisexual flower will means what? Cross pollination will occur. Okay, so production of unisexual flower. Okay, production of unisexual flower. Okay, and hence cross pollination will occur. Okay, so these are some outbreeding devices are there. Next we will discuss hercogamy, heterostyle in next class. Okay, thank you.